Greetings and salutations, ladies and gentlemen. My name is Mr. Barta, and I am the Welding Pathway instructor for welding specifically here at Colton High School. We are a pathway. I work with a math, English, and sometimes science teachers where you have a cohort of students that all go together in the same pathway and move from year to year to year. It is a minimum of a 2-year program to get college credit. And if you stay for 4 years, you will get more college credit if you pass the class with a B or better. So that means this class is articulated and it is worth college credit. And what kind of a class is it? Well, it's a welding class first and foremost. You can think of it as sewing with fire. We cut with fire, we weld with fire, we weld things together with fire or with high heat or high energy electricity. And we have done all kinds of cool projects in the past. We have built benches for the school. We've built bicycle racks, skateboard racks. We've done all kinds of neat things. We have repaired things for the school. We've even got a large, programmable, controllable plasma cutter right here. We can cut out program shapes in the computer and cut them out and do all kinds of neat stuff. And all the latest tools and welding apparatus we have here. We do MIG welding, TIG welding, stick welding, and flux core welding. All right, ladies and gentlemen, we also have a club for Skills USA. We are active in Skills USA, and last year we actually took 1st, 2nd, 4th, and 5th place in welding sculpture. I'm very proud of my students for placing in those categories. But we also compete in welding for those processes that I mentioned before, MIG, TIG, and stick. And we try to go to every year. And in the last couple of years, we have not only taken gold, but silver at state a couple of years ago with welding sculpture. So that's very exciting, and I'd like to continue that. Here's one of our multi-process machines behind me, in fact. All right, folks. All right, that's it for me. If you are interested in welding or sewing with fire, talk to your counselor. This is Mr. Barta signing off. Goodbye.